It is the 15th of August 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories.
Today's main story is about a Mac security flaw.
3 other top news stories featured on LinguaWire.com today. First, Trump parle du déploiement du USS Abraham Lincoln. Trump talks about the deployment of the USS Abraham Lincoln.
That is a lot of ship and not much patience.
Next, le gouvernement britannique revoit les objectifs de vente des voitures électriques. The British government is reviewing the sales targets for electric cars.
The rules are moving.
And la coureuse britannique Kelly Hodgkinson prend l'argent européen. The British runner Kelly Hodgkinson takes European silver.
Now, time for today's main story.
Here is today's headline. Des autorités néerlandaises alertent sur une faille Mac exploitée. Now say it out loud yourself and see how much you already understand. Des autorités néerlandaises
Dutch authorities
alertent sur
warn about
une faille Mac exploitée.
unexploited Mac flaw.
And notice, une faille use une, so the noun is feminine. French articles show gender right at the start, and that is one of the first things many learners spot in a headline. Everything from here is also written out on today's lesson sheet, linked below. Les autorités alertantes. The authorities warn. Alertant is the verb in today's story, and it means they warn the public. Le centre alerte sur la faille. The center warns about the flaw. Today's word is centre. Say it with me. Centre. In French, the final sound is clear, like the English word center. Une faille est active. A flaw is active. Une tells you this noun is feminine and that small article is doing real work here. Les autorités, le centre et Apple. The authorities, the center and Apple. It means and it joins the 3 names into one list. Apple corrige la faille. Apple fixes the flaw. Today's word is corrige. Say it with me. Corrige. The French soft G is like the sound in giraffe, not the hard G in go. Now for the pattern of the day. Alerter. To warn, j'alerte. Tu alertes. Il alerte. Nous alertons. Vous alertez. Ils alertent. The headline uses the ils form. Alertant. One last time at full speed. Des autorités néerlandaises alertent sur une faille Mac exploitée. Now you. Before you go, one question from today's story. Comment les autorités réagissent-elles?
That is, how do the authorities react? Comment asks in what way something happens. It is the everyday spoken form. Here it is in everyday French. Comment est-ce que tu vas au travail? How do you get to work?
Is it A? Ils alertent. Ils corrigent. Or C, ils alerteront.
I will not tell you which one. Think about it. Well done. That is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. The link is with this episode. See you tomorrow.